In a world of whispers and shadows, a weary figure stood alone. Once a powerful sorcerer, he clutched his staff, a flicker of magic clinging to his fingertips. With a deep breath, he murmured ancient words. The ground stirred, and a hint of green emerged. Hope was a fragile flower yearning for light. Suddenly, a storm brewed, a tempest of chaos and despair. It rushed towards the budding life, hungry for the flicker of magic. From the depths of uncertainty, a brave warrior roared. She gathered the timid, igniting their spirits to fight against the encroaching darkness. Among them, a gentle healer tended to wounds, her touch soothing anguish. Every life saved became a whispered vow against the dark. Hope faltered as shadows surged, clawing at the brave, yet courage ignited in hearts as they stood united. Realization struck. Their strengths were woven from the same cloth. Together, they would kindle a blaze bright enough to pierce the gloom. Light erupted from their unity, a glorious beacon shattering the darkness. The shadows shrieked as they flickered and fell back, revealing the enemy's core. A flicker of vulnerability crossed the sorceress's face. With her grip weakening, fear replaced her insidious rage. The storm retreated, yielding to the first light of dawn. Green shoots broke through the soil, new life blossomed amidst the ruins. Together, they stood, each one an ember of resilience. While the battle was won, the journey to restore their world had just begun. They turned to the horizon, where hope awaited. With hearts aligned, they stepped forward into the dawn of a brighter tomorrow.